Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.